In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the spell check on the Brave browser. So if you want to enable this, just head over to the right hand corner where you see these three lines. Just click on that and head over to the settings right at the bottom. On the left hand side, we click on languages here, and if we scroll down a little bit, it says spell check. Check for spelling errors when you type text on the web pages. So if you want to enable this feature, you can just toggle this on, and you need to spell check enable for your default language, whatever language you will be using. You can enable that, and you can also customize that. You can also feed some words that is not identified by the spell checker, and let's say every time that specific words is highlighted, let's say your company name or something like that, that spell check doesn't identify as a word, what you can do is just add those words and it will manage that and remember that while doing a spell check. So that's how you can enable this. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.